Hey everyone, welcome back to vstech, your hub for software guides, installations, and everything tech. In today's video, we're going to talk about something every Linux user needs to know, things you must avoid while using Linux, whether you're a beginner switching from Windows or someone just getting started with Linux. These mistakes can lead to serious problems or even break your system if you're not careful, so make sure you watch till the end. First, never use the root account for daily work. Linux gives you full control through the root account, but that power comes with risk. One wrong command like rmrf/ can erase your entire system in seconds. Always use a regular user account and run admin commands with sudo. It's safer and prevents accidental damage. Next, don't install random software or scripts from unknown sources. Linux makes installing apps easy through package managers like appd-dnf or Always prefer official repositories. Downloading shell scripts or packages from untrusted sites might seem convenient, but they can contain malware or break dependencies on your system. Avoid editing important system files unless you fully understand them. Files like etc., fstb, etc., pav, or bootgrub, grub.cfg are crucial for booting and managing users. Changing them without knowing what you're doing can stop your system from booting. If you need to make changes, always create a backup first. Don't ignore permissions and file ownership. Setting everything to keymod 777 might make problems go away temporarily, but it destroys your system's security. Learn how permissions work and assign the correct access to files and folders. Linux's permission system exists for a reason. It keeps your files and systems safe. Never skip system updates. Updates include critical security patches, kernel improvements, and software fixes. If you avoid them, you leave your system open to vulnerabilities. Regularly run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade or the commands your distro uses to stay safe and stable. Don't disable your firewall or SLinux unless you truly understand why. These tools protect you from unauthorized access and network threats. Turning them off might make something work temporarily, but it exposes you to potential attacks. Keep them enabled whenever possible. Avoid mixing package managers or installing software designed for other distributions. If you're using Ubuntu, stick to apt. If you're on Fedora, use the Arch. Users should use Mixing different package systems can lead to dependency conflicts and system crashes. Never forget to back up your data. Linux is reliable, but hardware failures, wrong commands, or corrupt updates can happen anytime. Tools like Timeshift, Rink, or Deja Dupe make backups easy. Set up regular backups so you never lose your important files. Don't log in as root when using SSH on a server. This is a common security mistake. Always create a user with limited privileges and use SSH keys instead of passwords. This adds an extra layer of security and helps prevent brute force attacks. Finally, don't be afraid to use the terminal and learn new commands. Many beginners think Linux is hard because it doesn't look like Windows, but once you understand it, you'll realize it gives you far more control. Experiment, practice, commands, and explore. That's the best way to become a confident Linux user. So these are the main things every Linux user should avoid. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to VA, and share it with your friends who are learning Linux. Let me know in the comments what mistake you've made or what you learned while using Linux. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.